Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. On Sunday, March 5th of this year, I got an email. Hi, Andrew here. My home location is in Australia. Following are several photos of my jig following on from your pattern. The reasons I am most interested in sharpening my hand brace bits is 1. The abundance of Jennings Rigdway Irwin bits are in short supply, if in prime condition, and most are approaching junk condition. I've only identified one supplier still manufacturing quality hand brace bits, and they are in Europe. 2. The challenge of repairing, sharpening, restoring, cleaning older equipment like planes, chisels, garden equipment is really satisfying, as I personally hate disposing of things that can be rejuvenated. For instance, I have a spade that is a blade face extremely sharp, as it allows me to cut into the clay soils that our property abounds in. The spade is highly effective in making channels, etc. Hence my desire to repair, where possible, hand brace auger bits. 3. I hate my tools being blunt. We both share that feeling. He continues with, I appreciate your generosity in construction of a plan. It took about 4 to 5 hours to make the jig. I also have several safe edge files to sharpen safely. Take care, Andrew. I really appreciated Andrew sending me the email. In response, I said, would you mind if I mentioned your jig making in a video? I would use your pictures and give you full credit for the work. You did such a good job, I think you will inspire others to make one also. To which he responded, Hi, David. Please use whichever photos are appropriate for your task at hand. Unfortunately, the Irwin bits are unavailable in Australia through Irwin, so I'm reduced to a slow process of finding second-hand bits in good order, well treated as in an earlier life, at a reasonable price. Looking forward to seeing your video, if you do get to do it, but use my photos as you need. Best regards, Andrew. So that's the reason for this video. I wanted to show you just how nicely Andrew followed the print.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.